सहोदितं नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावनमनोहरं नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदाय नामने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगे राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। जयतां सुरतुर्पङ्गुर्मम मन्दमतिर्गते मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्बुजो श्रीराधा मदनमोहन दिव्यवृन्दावन कल्पद्रुमादशमरत्नाकर सिंहास्तनस्थौ श्री श्री राधा शिल गोविंद दिव्यो पृष्ठलिभु सेव्यमान स्मरामि। श्रीमान रास रसारंभी वंशी बटतट स्थित कर्षण वेणु शनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ श्रीस्तून। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। राधा करवचित पल्लव वल्लरी के राधा पदांक विलसित मधुरस्थली के राधा जसो मुखमत्त खगावली के राधा विहार विपिन रमतांग मनो में राधा विहार विपिन रमतांग मनो। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances to the feet of my spiritual master Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavamana Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad अष्टोत्तर सदस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज, शिला गोविंद गोस्वामी महाराज, शिला भक्ति रखक सिद्धार्थ गोस्वामी महाराज, शिला भक्ति प्रमोदपुरी गोस्वामी महाराज, शिला भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So I'm very happy to come again in front of you. And especially we have come in Brisbane, is the temple of, what is the name of the temple? Gaur Narayan Gauriya Math. Bola Gaur Narayan Gauriya Math ki jai. And Dara ki jai. Very nice, beautiful. Many years. Prakash Prabhu and Karuna Didi, they are so kind. Since 98, I am coming in Australia. Only 2 years. I did not come because according to COVID. But continue, I am coming and try to, as my best, to preach the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed all his followers, যে পৃথিবীতে আছে যত নগরাদি গ্রাম সর্বত্র প্রচার হইবে মোর নাম. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu predicted that one day my name will be praised all over the world. Every town, every village, every house, and even every people also. And they will build very nice, beautiful temple in their heart. This is very important. Gurudev told, I want to build very nice, beautiful temple in your heart. Hridaya Mandir. And if you build this temple with the bricks, sand, and cement, and it will be one day, it will be destroyed. This is true. But if you build the very nice, beautiful temple in your heart, that is called Hridaya Mandir. Hridaya Mandir, the temple of heart, which is important. So how will build the temple of heart? Gurudev should listen Hari Katha. If you not listen Hari Katha, how possible you will build the temple of heart in your heart? This is the principle. So Hari Katha Sravanam. But listen Hari Katha Sravan from the mouth of high class, exalted, Brajarasik, Sadhu and Guru. So for this regard, Raghunath Das Goswami quoted one verse. Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasrita Binda Atavi Tatpadanka Asambhasya Tadbhav Gambhira Chittan Kutasam Sindhu Rasasavagava. If you want to submerge in the ocean of the divine love of divine Radha and Krishna, just you follow the three principles. How many? Three principles. What is that? Anaradha Radha Padambujari. You should be one pointed to the feet of Srimati Radhika. Radha Nishtha. This is very important. Or Radha Snehadhika. Love and affection with Srimati Radhika. Radha Snehadhika. Or second, You have to stay in Vrindavan. Where will you stay? Vrindavan. If you not physically stay in Vrindavan, you have to stay in Vrindavan with your mind. Well, how will you stay in Vrindavan with your mind? And always listen to Vrindavan Lila Katham Mritam. And not other Katha. Lila Katha Nisevanam. Srila Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj. Hey Maharaj Parikshit, I told you all Katha. And even I told you about many kings, they are, and many kinds of this Katha I told. Karma, Gyan, Yog, Tapasya, many Katha I told you this. How the king, they also sacrificed their life for the charity, donation. Even they sacrificed their life for the many kinds of charity. As like the king of Sibi Maharaj Katha is there. Many Katha is there also. Harishchandra, King Harishchandra, you know. This many Katha is there also. Amongst the Rajana. I told these many kings, they are their charity, donation, this. But that is just to attract the people. Sarvaloka Akarshan. But now I am finally telling you, you have to concentrate your mind with Braj Lila Katha. So, Lila Katha Nisevanam. Or in our Gauriya, what is saying? That is called, you have to concentrate your mind Krishna's Ashtakalian Lila. The high stage. Otherwise, many are doing bhajan and sadhan. What benefit will get? If you want to get benefit, then you will step by step develop your sadhana and bhajan. Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, then prem. Then after prem, then Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Rura, Udhirura, Mohan, Modan, and Madhanakha Mahabhav. This is the process also. Otherwise, you will not stay one place. You have to develop your sadhana and bhajan. So now coming in this way, Lila Katha Nisevanam. Always listen. Radha Krishna sweet, amorous pastimes. This is the process of. But you will stay in Vrindavan. But which place you will stay in Vrindavan? Well, Radha Adhipattam Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu me. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is saying, Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam, that Vrindavan, that place completely dominated by Srimati Radhika. Because Radha Adhipattam Vrindavanam. So maybe your question will come, which place completely, absolutely dominated by Srimati Radhika? Who knows? Raise your hand. That is called Radha. Joor se bolo. Radha Kund ki jai. That means always you remember Radha Kund. As Rupa Goswami Pad, in his nectar of instruction, Upadesamritam, 2 slokas is very important. You remember this sloka. What is that? Vaikunthadi janito varam madhupari. Vaikunthadi janito varam madhupari. Tatrapi rasotsavad bindaranna mudrapani. Tatrapari govardhanat. Radha kunda mihapi gokula plavanat. Purja dasa gritade viveki Sevake Vivekena Kaha. This is very important, this sloka. Or another? No. Tannama Rupa Charitadi Sukirtananu Smritu Kramena Rasana Manosi Nijajyo Tishtan Braje Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalam Nayat Akilam Itta Upadesasana. These two slokas is very important. In Upadeshamrita, nectar of instruction, and about how many slokas? 12 slokas are there. 11. Okay. But these two slokas very important. Tannam Rupacharitadi Sukritananu Smritu Karmanarasana Manosi Nijajju Tishtan Braje Tadanu Ragi Jananu Gami Kalavnayat Akhilomitta Upadesasar. This is the essence of all my nectar of instruction. Holy chant Krishna's sweet name, the Madhur Nam. Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Ishora Krishna Hasi Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Sri Vallabhi Jeevana Radhikesa Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallabhi Jeevana Radhikesa Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallabhi Jeevana Radhikesa. Very nice. Srila Sanatana Goswami manifested this song in his book Brihad Bhagavatam. Seva sadhaka rupena siddha rupena chakra tadbhava lipsuna braja loka manusara. Seva and sadhaka rupena. How to serve to Lord Krishna and Simadhika and sadhak form and your siddha. Sadhak form, only you chant Krishna's sweet name. Sankha Purvaka Nama Gana Nativi Kalavasana Krito Nidra Ahara Vihargadi Vijito Chattandino Chajo Radha Krishna Gunasmite Madhurima Anandana Sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatanu Raghujugo Sijiva Kopalako Srinivasacharya glorified about our 6 Goswamis, how they performed bhajan and sadhan in Vrindavan. Sankha Purvaka Nama Gananativi. They chant holy names in fixed round. Sankha Purvaka. Gan glorified about Krishna. No mundane talk. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande. Mana Manasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarante. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande. Manasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarante. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande. There's a Gan, very nice. Sankha Purvaka Nama Gano. Nativi. They also taken the name of all the pilgrimage place of sweet amorous pastimes of different people, Radha and Krishna. And Vrindavan Dham ki jai. Radha Kund ki jai. Giriraj Govardhan ki jai. Are raise your hand to pranam. Take the name of also Navadvip Dham ki. Jai Jagannath Puri ki. Taking the name of the pilgrim place of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Radha and Krishna. Nama Gana Nati Kala Vasana Krito Nidra Hara Vihar Vijito Tatun Dinochu Radha Krishna Gunas Smrite Madhurima Anandina Sanmojito Bande Rupa Sanatano Rahujugo See Ninam Sankirtan. This is called Sadhaka. A Siddhar in the transcendental constant form, Siddha Sarup, they remembering sweet pastimes. Radha Krishna Lila Katha. Very nice, beautiful this. But our Ishtadev, who is our Ishtadev? Who knows? Actually, Krishna is not our Ishtadev. If I devotee, they will be angry. General way, always saying, okay, Krishna is Bhagavan. This is true. Isara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda, Sarva Karna Karna. He is Isara, Supreme Controller. Isara. Isara Parama Krishna. Krishna means he is called Sarva Akarshak. And he attracts all the living entities towards him. And not only this, all his incarnation also attracted with his beauty. Just few days before, we also celebrated Janmashtami and glorified about Krishna. And Sarvakarshak. His name is called Krishna. Krishna means Akarshayati. Karshayati Akarshayati. Nasya Nibritya Vachada Prema Dadati Jasati Krishna. Understand? Janmashtami you must also glorify this. Why Krishna? His name is called Krishna. Karshayati Akarshayati. He attracts all the living entities towards him. Then look at it. Not only living entities, all the also his incarnation and avatar also attracted his beauty. And Krishna and Madhuri dekhi Vasudever ko. And even the presence of Samsundar's beauty is very beautiful, unique and unparalleled. In Dwaraka Chaturbuha, Vasudev. And in Dwaraka, Dwarakapuri, the Chaturbuha is there. Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. So Vasudev Krishna. And also attracted with the beautiful form of Krishna. Nandanandan Krishna. And he is called Dhir Lalit Nayan. So Krishna and Madhuri dekhi Vasudeva ko. What will say to others? Even all the gopis in Braj, everybody attracted with the beautiful form of Krishna. Kastrangate karpadamrita benu gitam go druja drima hiranna pulokanna vibramam. Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Kastrangate kalapadamrita benu gitam. When Krishna plays the flute, everybody's heart completely intoxicated. Go drija druma. Go means the cows of Vrindavan. Dija means birds. Go drija. Druma, all the trees. Everybody completely intoxicated. Hiranna pulakana vibramam. Even the deer, pasu pakshi, birds, animals, all they completely intoxicated the beautiful form of Krishna. Very nicely, Sukadeva Goswami Pal told this katha and Venu Gitam. Very nice, beautiful this katha. So Krishna's beauty, the unique and unparalleled. Though all his incarnation non-different from him. So why am I saying? Because Krishna, Tattva, he is Krishna, he is called Sarva Akarshak. as like magnet. What is called? Magnet attracts the iron. In the same way, everybody attracted with the beautiful form of Krishna. Because Krishna, he has 64 qualifications. But 4 qualifications, that is called unique and unparalleled. Rupa Madhurya, sweetness of his beauty. Right? Second, Leela Madhurya, and sweetness of his divine pastimes. Leela Madhurya. Then fourth, a third, that is called Prema Madhurya, sweetness of his divine love. Right? Or fourth, Venu Madhurya, sweetness of the sound of his flute. Right? So this is. So Brajanandan Samsundar, how is beautiful form. And everywhere, beautiful this form. So Krishna Tattva, when we discuss about Krishna Tattva, and Krishna is Sarvakarshak, and so, but when we discuss about Radha Tattva, and even Krishna also attracted with Srimati Radhika. Well, what kinds of qualities of Srimati Radhika? Actually, we want to discuss these things. Why Krishna attracted with the qualities of Srimati Radhika? What kinds of qualities, guna of Srimati Radhika? Radha Gun. So, we'll discuss this. So for this, if you want to submerge in the ocean of Samaras, Sringaras. Singaras means Sama Singarasa. Iti Vishnu Daivata. Singaras means, that is called, Gurudev, what he say? Braj Parakya Bhav. What is it? Braj Parakya Bhav. That Paramur moved in Braj. But this Parakya Bhav only manifested in the heart of the Braj Gopis in Vrindavan. Please remember. Braj nahi chahar annatra prachar. Chaitanya Charitamrita. This Braj, this highest mood, Singaras, only manifested in Vrindavan, in the heart of the Braj Gopis. So for the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Chaitanya Charitamrita, excellent. Vaikuntagde nahi jesab lilar prachar, se sab lilami koribo loke jate hoy chamatkar. Vaikuntagde nahi jesab lilar prachar. That means is what? Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwarka, and Mathura. Not this Parakya Bhav, Braj Parakya Bhav, not in there. So only this Braj Parakya Bhav in Golok Vrindavan, and Golok Vrindavan in the heart of Braj Gopis. Are among the Braj Gopis, that are Lalita, Vishakha, Rupamanjari, Rutimanjari, they are the same. Are especially Chandravali and Srimati Radha. Toiro Virur Madhya Radhika Sarvadhika Gunai Ruti Bariyoshi. And they are Chandravali and Srimati Radhika. But here also our Goswamis explain in their commentary. Chandravali actually she is not perfect, what is it called? Rival of Srimati Radhika. Rival should be equal. Understand? But how possible Chandravali is equal with Srimati Radhika? Not possible. Who will maybe equal to Srimati Radhika? Can compete with Srimati Radhika? Lalita Vishakha. But Lalita Vishakha, they don't want to compete with Srimati Radhika. राधा जी के साथ प्रतिद्वंदिता करना नहीं चाहती है. कौन? Lalita Ashtasaki. So Jogamaya is arranging. Jogamaya is saying, okay, Chandraboli, you can do this. Understand? Football match is going on. Australia and who is? England. Just I give an example.
Cricket.
And cricket match. Okay, cricket match or any match. Cricket match, football match. Or Brazil. Australia or Brazil, football match. But another which country is not proper. They're saying, okay, you can do. What will do? Why I am giving this example? Because Lalita, Visakha, they don't want to compete with Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Jogamaya arranged for Chandravali. So now coming in this way. So Tayoro Ubhuryor, so for this regard, this Sanskrit word saying, Tayoro Ubhuryor Madhye Radhika Sarvadhika. Gunai Rati Bariyasi. And Srimati Radhika's, all her qualities are unique and unparalleled. Even Krishna completely was intoxicated with the beauty of Srimati Radhika. Slowly I will tell to you. Because now we are very close to Radhastami. We have to glorify to Sri Radharani Katha. Those who are not qualified. But have to speak. Otherwise what Katha will speak? So need this is Katha also this. Always glorified Srimati Radhika, Radha Katha Amritam. For this regard, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami explained, Je Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasrita Binda Atavi Tat Padankam Asambasa Tadbhava Gambir Chittan Kuta Samo Sindho Rasavaraho. And if you want to submerge in the highest mood of Braj Parakya Bhav, just to follow the three principles. One, pointed with Srimati Radhika. Second, you have to stay in Vrindavan. Or third, always associated with Braj Rasik, Sadhu and Guru. And listen the highest and Braj Lila Katham Vritam. This is important. But I tell you, according your adhikar, eligibility and qualification, you can listen, you can digest, and you can do bhajan and sadhan. And our Shastra saying, Shastra never prohibited to listen Harikatha. Shastra always saying is what? Listen Harikatha. Sinnatang sakata Krishna punna sravana kirtan hriddanso javadrani vidhunuti suvidhi satam nashta prayesu avadrisu nittam bhagavata sevaya. Bhakti bhavati naistiki. And if you listen Krishna Katha, then when Krishna himself enter in your ears and coming in your heart. And then Krishna himself clean your heart. So many anarthas, unwanted things, lust, anger, enviousness. So Krishna is saying himself, if you listen my katha, then I will enter in your heart, I will clean. You cannot leave. And in the word, sometimes also sing this song. And मैल लगे तन में धोए मैल से ए धोए जल से अडी से मैल लागे तन में धोए जल से और मैल लागे मन में धोए कैसे? You understand? No. मैल लागे तन में, this some dust. What is it called? Dust of dust. Okay. कीचड़ लग गया. How will clean? With the water. You clean. With the soap, water, clean. eh? Then your body will be neat and clean. But if your heart completely contaminated with lust, anger, enviousness, jealousy, stupid nonsense, rascal, how will clean? Eh? How will clean? He is saying, तन मैल लागे तन में धोई जल से, और मैल लागे मन में धोई कैसे? है बोले राम याद इसी राम नाम के साबुन से धोए है मन को. That means you also clean your heart, mind with the name of Lord Ram, Ram Nam. Saying this, Krishna Nam, Ram Nam. And listen Krishna Katha, Ram Katha, Hari Katha. And otherwise it's not possible. Please. So Shastra saying this, always listen Krishna Katha. Tab katamritam tapta jivanam kavi viveditam kalma sahapam savana mangalam srimadattatam bhuvinanti te puridajana katamritam tapta jivanam kavi viveditam kalma sahapam savana mangalam srimadattatam bhuvinanti te bhuridajana 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 bhuridajana. Gopi Krishna Katha is very sweet. Tava Kathamritam. Srimati Radhika ji, she herself told. Krishna Katha is like sweet nectar. Tava Kathamritam, Amritam. And if you drink the nectar, you will become immortal. And so Krishna Katha, Tava Kathamritam, Tapta Jivanam, all your darkness, and avidya, asmita, rag, desh, abhinivesh, everything will be destroyed from your heart. Your heart will be neat and clean. So tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi viriditam Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all the high class exalted devotee, they glorify. Kavi viriditam kalma sahapam. Kalmas means pap, sin. Avidya, asmita, rag, desh, abhinivesh. Pap, bij. Pap understand? Sin. Bij, the seed of sin. And pap, bij. Pap of vasana. Even to commit the desire to commit sinful activities. Pap vasana also will disappear from our heart. How is powerful Krishna Katha? And Madhurya Kadamini Grantha explain this. How is powerful the Krishna Katha? So Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Viriditam Kalmasapam Sravana Mangalam. All kinds of auspiciousness will come. Sravana Mangalam. That means in the sadhana bhakti, two lives manifested. One is called Klesagni, another is called Subhada. What is it? Klesagni, all your clays, distress, unable disappear from you. Or simultaneously, Subhada, all the good qualification will come. And Sattva, Surya, Daya, Pavitra, Astik, good qualification will come. Kalmasapaham. Then again you will come, then Bhav Bhakti will come. Sadhana Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti. Then again two leaves manifest. That is called Moksha Lugata Sudur Lava and Moksha Lugata Krit. Shastra sadhana ki hari bhakti sudurlabha. Thousand lives if you practice devotional service to Lord. Maybe bhakti will not manifest in your life. Because bhakti is very, very rare. Krishna not so easy to give and Braja Prem bhakti to. Bhakti mukti diya tare prem dan rakhen lukaiya. Krishna, if you do bhajan sadhan to Krishna, Krishna will first give you bhakti. Bhakti means many kinds of material sense gratification will give, facilities will give. Bhakti. Mukti. Mukti means salvation, liberation will give. Bhakti mukti. Will give. But not so easy to give. Prema bhakti. So bhakti mukti diya tare prem davan rakhan lukaiya. So for this regard, Shastra is saying, Shastra sadhana kai hari bhakti sudurlabha. Not so easy to Krishna will give you. But when you would only desire, no, I want only Braj Prem, then Krishna will give. Otherwise, all kinds of material sense gratification will give. Nice wife will come, nice sons, daughters will come, economical development will come. That is called dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So for this regard, sudur labha. Or simultaneously another leaves, that is called moksha lubhata krit. When that the prem will come, they will think this mukti is as like insignificant. And diyamananna grinanti mak sevanam jana. Krishna says, even those who are my Braj Premic devotees, if I will give mukti, 4 types of mukti in Vaikuntha Dham. That is called Salukya, Sashti, Samippa and Sarupya. But they will say, no, need this. Who will take the oneness merge in Brahma? No one. Brahma Sahaja who one? No one. So saying this way, Diyamananna grinnanti mat sevanam jana. Who will take? So Krishna is saying this way. If you one pointed with Srimati Radhika, then you will get this highest prem, Braja Prem. And in Gurudev also, Braja Prem also, 3 types of 3 stages. Sakha Prem. Who will take Sakha Prem? Raise one hand. And the mood of Subhadra will not take. Then Vatsalya Prem and parental mood as like the mood of Mother Jasoda or Nanda Jasoda. What do you know? So what do you want? Gopi Prem. Okay. Gopi Prem will give you. Chandravali also sees Gopi. Chandravali Prem who will take? Raise one hand. No one. So for the Raghunath Das Goswami, and quoted one verse. Padabjastava vina varadasamevo nannat kadapi samay kila devi jache sakhayat mama namastu nittam dassayate mama rasastu sattam. So now come in this, even in Gopi Prem and highest Prem, there also 5 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Priya Sakhi and Prana Prishta Sakhi. Prana Prishta Sakhi, that is called Lalita Visakha. Who will take the mode of Lalita Visakha? No one. Prana Prishta Sakhi Lalita. So, Raghunath Das Goswami. Pradabjastavina varadasamevo nannat kadapi samay kila devi jache sakhayatmo namastu nittam dassayatmo rasastu sattam. Even I don't want the position of Lalita Visakha. And Raghunath Das Goswami, he performed sadhan bhajan, hard austerities on the bank of Radha Kunda. Srimati, at that time, Krishna came. Krishna told, hey Raghunath, I am very pleased with your heart austerity. I want to give blessing to you. And Raghunath Das Goswami is saying, hey Krishna, I don't want to your mercy. आशा भरी अमृत सिंधुमयी कथंचित माया मायादिकालित सालितं गमितं सांप्रतंगी तंचेत कृपामयी कृपां विधस्स नैव किंग में प्राणे बरचु बकारी नापी. Here saying Bakari, hey Krishna, माने Bakari, Krishna name is called Bakari, who killed Bakasura. So Krishna name is called Bakari. Raghunath, hey Bakari Krishna, I don't want your mercy. If Srimati Radhika will not give mercy, so what is the meaning of your mercy? Then Srimati Radhika, she appeared. Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Raghunath Das Goswami, I am very pleased with your heart austerity. Day and night you are crying. So I am giving mercy to you. And so he saying, Padabjustava vina Bharadasameva Nannat Kadapi Same Kila Devi Jache Sakhayat Mamo Namastu Namastu Nittam Dasayate Mamo Rasastu Sattam. Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Raghunath, I am giving the position of my Lalita Visakha to you. You take. But Raghunath Das Goswami, of this position I don't want. Sakhayat Mamo Namastu Namastu. I pay my obeisances. These types of benediction. And why not? Lalita Visakha, they are mine, very near and dear. They control to me also. Now coming also very close to Lalita Saptami. Understand? After 2 days, what is Saturday? Lalita Saptami. Very powerful this katha also. Lalita Saptami. Lalita Devi is powerful Sakhis. She controlled to Krishna. Even she also controls to Srimati Radhika. She gives all kinds of, what is called, instruction to Srimati Radhika. Lalita Astakam, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explained. Very nice, beautiful. Dhurte Vajendra Tanyo Tonusustu Bammam Ma Dakshina Bhava Kalankini Lagavai. Maybe later we'll discuss. Lalita Saptam. So saying this Lalita Sakhi, is a Prana Prashta Sakhi. So Srimati Radhika, she is saying, I am giving the same position of Lalita Devi. You take. But Raghunath Das Goswami, no, I don't want it. What do you want? Tassayat mamo rasastu sattam. I want to your maid servant. Which servant? That is called Radha Dasan. That is called Manjari Papa. Palladasi kari Lalita Sundari Amare loiya kave Siradhika pade Kale me laive Agga seva samar pive Agga seva samar pive Agga seva samar pive Amare loiya kave Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. That means I concluded these things, our aim and object, how to become the Mesham Srimati Radhika. That is called Manjari Bhav. That means I also explained the 5 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. One is called Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi and Prana Vrishta Sakhi. Nitya Sakhi and Pran Sakhi, their mode is called Manjari's mode. There is Bhavullah, many things inside there. So first you determine, मन को स्थिर करो, मुझे क्या चाहिए? What do you want? Radha Dasan. That is called Manjari Bhav. They do bhajan and sadhana. You chanting holy names, but you don't know what is your goal. So first, Gurudev always saying, first you fix your mind. What is your goal? What do you want? Then you practice sadhana. Sadhana vina sadhana vastu prapti nahi. Without sadhana, you cannot attain your perfection goal. But first you also Fix your mind about your goal. Then you sadhana. Balavrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Radha Rani ki Jai. Maharani ki Jai. Radha महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय बोलो राधे 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 जय जय बोलो राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी हेलो राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे तो राधा राधा नाम ब्रज की गलियों में ओ मैं तो आयो वृंदावनो धाम किशोरी तेरी चरणों में मैं तो आयो वृंदावन धाम किशोरी तेरी चरणों में ओ राधे 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 राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधे राधे जय जय राधे राधे राधा जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय राधे जय हेलो राधा रानी जय जय this is very nice, beautiful. This Braj Sankirtan, Brajan devotee, they manifested this. They got Madhurjam. Very nice, beautiful this song. You heard? How many? Only one copy. Okay. All Radharani's Katha and Brajan, not others. Balavrindavan Vihari. Or also my latest book, that is called Sapta Sindhu Gunavati Radha. Very nice, beautiful this song. This book also you read. You have to collect. He did not bring today. Only he bring his body. Then no problem. Tomorrow bring. Very nice book. Bolo Radha Rani ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Always bring the books. Books is the best book. Now 9 o'clock, you take prasad. Take back your own destination.
Which is the way.
Don't forget to take prasad. Hello Radha Rani.
Jai.
Hare Krishna. So Mataji will be in Brisbane for the next 2 days, and then he is traveling to Guriyama for Radha Astami celebration on Sunday in our Guriyama,
I'm learning.
which will start at 10:30 on Sunday.
Stop
So
it.
tomorrow
Stop it.
Mataji will give morning class at
उससे क्या होता
in
है?
Tarabushi District, starting at 11.